I'm Jake Urban, and I'm coming at you from the Jackson Hole Outdoor Leadership Institute. And here's another quick tip, how to make a beacon check part of your backcountry ritual before leaving the trailhead every time. The first thing you want to do is assign a leader and gather your group up. Now, the leader keeps their beacon off and asks everyone else to turn their beacon on, make sure it goes through a function check properly without errors, and that they have adequate battery power above 70%.
90%, no errors.
75%, no errors.
Now have your partners turn their beacons over into search mode. Now that they're in search mode, the leader turns their beacon on, makes sure it goes through the function check properly, and identifies adequate battery power. The leader turns their beacon to send transmit mode, and now everyone else should pick up their signal. Now the leader asks everyone to turn their beacon back to send, and then stow it properly for the day. With the beacons properly stowed, the leader now steps out in front of the group, switches over to search, and makes sure that the group members are transmitting for the day. After the last person is checked, that individual watches the leader then switch their beacon back to send and stow their beacon properly for the day before heading out for your tour. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the big red button and subscribe to see more. Keep it safe out there.